I have just come back to check on it, and this is less than 10 minutes later, and we can already see how the glass, or how the plastic is clearing up. Look how clear that looks already. It looks good. I think I'll give it one more spray, as the latter side of it had algae, but you can see it's slowly turning clear again. So I'm just going to add some more spray to it. So let's leave that to sit for a while, and then we'll be back. Look at the back end of it. Look how clear that is. See, the job is getting done. It's already starting to work. Okay, so I'll check in back with you in a few more moments.